I'm going to be talking about the private LTE for enterprises. This is the Infosys Flash Talks. Please let me know if you have any questions. So, what does private LTE mean for enterprises? Enterprises are looking into utilizing innovative use cases. For that, private network is coming out to a pace where it is enabling them to be utilized, and it's getting into networks are getting criticals now, so they want to run their critical operations on private networks. So I'm going to talk about in US, the technology, the LTE is mainframed by the operators, but now enterprises are looking in LTE much more than the Wi-Fi. They see that they're going to improve their efficiency, their day-to-day working. Enterprise use cases are much more enabled over private LTE. So in US, CBRS is Citizen Broadband Radio Spectrum, which is being FCC auctioned. It's going to be available for the general public, plus enterprises on county by county, where they can actually get their own spectrum in respect to dependent on operators, but they can actually deploy this spectrum across US for their own usage. Some of the use cases are even in LA. Right now, we have Angel Stadium that is being deployed their own spectrum that's running on CBRS. They want to get better experience for all the folks that comes into the stadium and want to experience, and they always get Wi-Fi. They can't even get any access to the internet. They can't tweet, they can't retweet. By using the private LTE and CBRS, they are not dependent. They can actually get this going. And what Infosys is doing is, in this field, we are working with our partners in different technology innovators that have created technology in this area. We are integrating with innovative solutions, use cases on top of that, and taking to enterprises. The part where this is enabled due to the CUPS architecture, where the control plane and the user plane are being separated. Previously, when LTE was introduced in initial stages, this was not separated. Operators were controlling the user plane totally. For any data that it has to go to the operator's network before it could be utilized. That actually made 4G enabled companies like Facebook, Uber, and Lyft to be developed on over-the-top platforms. Now, the innovation has gone forward. Even the specification has gone to the CUPS architecture, where the control plane and the user plane separation. Now, enterprises are looking into the business models of how Facebook and Uber and Lyft, that they have utilized their data and made so much innovation. They're going to be looking how they can utilize that in their own domain, in their own environment. For that purpose, they are actually deploying their private networks in US, and they're looking into how they can actually better efficient their own day-to-day work, provide better workspaces, efficient work, efficient interactions, communication between their teams, agile workspaces. All this are coming into a new level where they're using data, and CUPS architecture is playing a bigger role, where any data usage in their enterprises are staying within the enterprise geographical space. It's not going outside.